Today we are going to learn about the control panel options. So this is a rotary cam switch. This is panel. Panel is what is called the inside of the board. Frame is what is called the outside frame of the board, and both, that means we want to sand both at the same time. So let's say I just want to do panel at this time. 2 bevels on the board at the same time, and I'll press start button. It will automatically come to that location, take an image, and it skipped the sanding altogether and just started doing the measurements for the inner panel. It will still do a circular pass and complete the inner panel. Now it will do the same thing for the other board. We don't have to do anything. The operator can do its job, and this will keep on sanding. Now